Hi, what's your name?
My name's Cameron,
And where you're from?
and I'm from Ontario, Canada.
Say hi.
Hi.
And what do you love most about Palawan?
The weather, of course, but also the beautiful people, the beautiful beaches. Everyone is so kind here, and it's just so peaceful and quiet and a great place to vacation.
Nice, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your
Hi.
name?
My name is Mayan.
And where you're from?
I'm from Israel.
Oh, Israel too. And what do you love most about Palawan?
I think it's very calm. The beaches
Oh.
are really nice, and the islands.
Wow.
Yeah,
Pretty
great.
good.
The restaurant,
The
everything.
restaurant, everything.
Yeah, the people.
The people, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Say hi. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Amit.
And what do you love most about Palawan?
Actually, the thing that I most like in Palawan is the beaches. Most beautiful beaches I ever seen in all of Asia.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful people, beautiful places, good food, and that's it.
Yeah. And where you're from, by the way?
I'm from Israel.
Israel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you and nice meeting
Thank you.